Hello and welcome back to our responsive web design course on freeCodeCamp. In the last lessons, we looked at step 1 through 11 in the Build a Curriculum Outline section. We are now in the Debug Camperbot profile page. It says Camperbot is trying to build a profile page. They asked a friend to look over their code and they said it has some errors. Your job is to fix all of Camperbot's errors so they can continue building their profile page. Complete the item in the user stories below and click check your code to see if you fixed all the errors. User stories say Camperbot is trying to use a heading 2 element, but that element does not exist. Fix those tags so they use a correct second level heading element. Let's do that first. We see heading 2 should be H2. Number 2 says Camperbot is trying to add 2 paragraphs with PP, but those don't exist either. Fix them so they use correct paragraph tags. Here we know paragraphs are just 1P. And then 3, Camperbot is using an H3 element for the background and interest subheading, but it has a syntax error. Spot the issue and resolve it. Here we have H3 and we see it has the closing tag using wrong syntax. So we correct it by adding the /. We also need to correct this P element. And now that looks right. Now let us check our code. And we did pass all our tests. So really what we're learning here is just making sure that we understand the different tags we went over and spotting mistakes that are easily made when you're learning HTML. And even if you don't have them memorized, you can always look online and find out what should a heading look like, subheading, and so forth. Those are pretty easy. You got H1 through H6. Paragraphs are just P tags, and then closing tags / it comes before and not after the closing tag. Just remembering the placement of that /. As long as you're understanding that, you guys are getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.